I'm using my new KIMO Ratchet, and what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to try to put a pretty large size wood bolt in a piece of baseboard. I'm using a, what is this, 14 millimeter socket, and we're going to see how this works, see if it has enough torque to put this pretty large bolt. You can see how big it is in this piece of wood. So let's see. Let's check direction. And I'm doing this with one hand. Go. Now let's see. There we go. It has put that all the way in there flush. And let's see if we can get it out. So there we go. It apparently has enough torque to put that bolt in. That's something that we do fairly regularly when we are putting bolts and bolting down motors to pallets. All right, good tool.